So I said vaccines are safe. How do we know they are safe? They are safe because every vaccine has to go through a rigorous process of validation for both safety and effectiveness. Initially, a vaccine starts in a preclinical stage. That is work done in labs like ours, where a lot of it is done on cells, in a petri dish, or in animals, to determine whether or not whatever material is being used, is tested as a vaccine, has any potential for being a vaccine. Once this preclinical stage is over, the targets that are identified are taken through three phases of human testing. Phase 1 is purely about safety. It is done in a very small number, usually not more than 100, usually about 20 to 40 people who are very young and very healthy. So they are the strongest, you could say, in our community, in our population. These are volunteers who volunteer to be tested with this vaccine. After that phase, they are basically assessing people who receive the vaccine for any negative reactions. What happens to them when they receive the vaccine? After that, after the vaccine has satisfied the safety assessment, it is then passed into a phase 2 trial, which is also another safety assessment, but now is done in hundreds of people. The idea is maybe those 40 people were just super strong and didn't get anything. Now you want to take a larger sample size of several hundred people and see what happens to them when they administer the vaccine. You also, at this point, are able to ask whether the vaccine is able to stimulate or activate your immune system. After you pass phase 2, then you enter phase 3. This is where we ask, does the vaccine work? In this case, you are vaccinating thousands of people, not just 1,000, but several thousands of people. And you are asking, do people who receive the vaccine have a different response to the disease than those who don't get the vaccine? So phase 3 trials are where we ask the question, is the vaccine effective? But of course, because we are now vaccinating thousands of people, we are also continuing to assess the safety. No vaccine is approved unless it has gone through all these stages. So any vaccine that the Director General and the Ministry of Health are bringing into Ghana will have gone through every single stage to get final approval, initially by perhaps the WHO and certainly by our own FDA in Ghana.